everyone, and welcome to Trail Marker 23, the beginning of our Earth Day hike. So sometimes you can't see everything that's happening around you in nature. So try and walk quietly from Trail Marker 23 to 24 and listen to the world around you. See if you can hear specific bird calls, insects, maybe some frogs. We have lots of woodpecker species here at Four-Mile, and lots of times you can hear them pecking on the trees to get some insects out of them. So see what you can listen for out here in nature. And not only the animals, right along this stretch of trail runs Kearsley Creek. And so take a good listen to the sounds of the water. Does it sound different in different areas? Why or why not? See if you can figure out what sounds you hear in nature and kind of what's happening behind the scenes. What can't we see, but we can still hear? So let's go enjoy our hike.